Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High as we can to the sky. And then let's go down low, touch our toes. And then back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down, touch our toes. Hands on hips. Let's look up. And look down. Look left. Look right, up, down, left, right, and legs slightly apart. Let's rotate, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, and now we'll stretch, we'll do 5 on each side. So let's go left first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then swap sides. Go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And this time, to finish, we will do 5 jumps. Not star jumps, we'll just jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now have a seat, guys. So can anybody tell me, what did we learn about in the last math lesson?
Multiplication.
Excellent. Multiplication. How do we spell multiplication? M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. What does the multiplication sign look like? times. Is that right?
Yes.
Times looks like an X. X. The times sign looks like an X. And in the last lesson, we did multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit. By 1 digit. So let's all say together, multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit. Okay, so now I need a volunteer. Who would like to do? Lakgao. Okay. So I will write the problem on the board for Lakgao to work out. So let's see, we will have 24 is our 2-digit number. 24 times by 2. So Lakgao, can you work this problem out for me? Show your working out too. Can you draw the table? Okay, so can you work this one out? So 24, and then we need our times 2. So first of all, we need 2 times 4. 2 times 4? 8. Excellent. So that's our first digit done. What do we need to do next? 2 times 2 equals? So what's our answer? 24 times 2 equals 48. Excellent, Lakgao. High five. And a round of applause for Lakgao. Let's do one more just to make sure we know what we're doing. Now I need another volunteer. Prel. Okay, hand went right up. So let's see, this time. Slightly different, but still 2 digits by 1 digit. We will have 33 times by 3. How about that one? What color would you like? Black, blue, or red? Blue. Okay. Can you show your working out for me too, Prel? So 33 times 3. What's the first thing we need to do? 3 times 3 equals 9. What's the next thing we need to do? Excellent. So our answer, 33 times 3 equals 99. Excellent. High five and a round of applause for Bell. So that was an example by our students of some simple equations of 2 digits by 1 digit. We're going to move on a bit more today to look at something called regrouping. Regrouping. R E G R O U P I N G. Regrouping. Does anybody know what regrouping means? Let me show you. Regrouping. Somebody give me an equation to do, multiplication equation. What's our 2-digit number? 50. 5, 0 times, that's not quite right. Let's see, it needs to be more straight. Times 3. Okay. So let's see. 50 times 3. 5, 0 times 3. What do I need to do first? 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Next, what do I need to do?
3
Times 5. 3 times 5.
15.
So, I need to carry 1 over to make 5.
5.
Carry 1 into the hundreds.
100.
150. This is called regrouping. When we have too much in one place value, we need to move into the next place value and carry it over. The way we do this is called regrouping. Okay guys, all together, regrouping. Excellent. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at a video and a PowerPoint presentation about how we can do multiplication, 2 digits by 1 digit using regrouping. Excellent guys, well done. So now, let's all turn our chairs, have a look at the TV screen, okay? So let's take a look at our video, guys, about multiplication with regrouping. Yes, let's have a watch and a listen.
Multiply. Let's find 18 times 3.
Okay,
First, multiply the ones by 3.
8 times 3.
8 ones times 3 equals 24 ones. Regroup 24 ones into 4 ones and 2 tens.
So we carry the 2 into the next column.
Next, multiply the tens by 3 and add the regroup tens. 1 10 times 3 equals 3 tens, plus 2 tens equals 5 tens.
So what's our answer?
18
54.
times 3 equals 54.
And this is how we do multiplication with regrouping. How about this one?
45 times 6. First, multiply the ones by 6. 5 ones times 6 equals 30 ones. Regroup 30 ones into 0 ones
So 0 and carry over
and 3 tens.
3.
Next, multiply the tens by 6 and add the regrouped tens. 4 tens times 6 equals 24 tens, plus 3 tens equals 27 tens. Regroup 27 tens into 2 hundreds and 7 tens.
So 6 times 45 is
45 times 6 equals 270.
270.
Let's find 186 times 4. Multiply the ones by 4.
6 times 4?
6 ones times 4 equals 24 ones.
So what do we write here?
24 ones
4.
into 4 ones
Carry
and
over
2 tens.
2. That's called regrouping.
Multiply the tens by 4 and add the regrouped tens. 8 tens times 4 equals 32 tens.
32.
Tens plus 2 tens equals 34 tens. Regroup 34 tens into 4 tens and 3 hundreds.
So we need to regroup the 3 into the next column.
Finally, multiply the hundreds by 4.
1 times 4?
Regrouped hundreds. 100 times 4 equals 4 hundreds.
400 plus 3?
Equals 700.
700.
586 times 4 equals
744.
Let's find 593 times 6.
Okay, so 3 times by 6. What do we think? 18. So what number do we write in the ones column? 8. And we need to regroup 1 into the tens column.
Multiply the ones by 6. 3 ones times 6 equals 18 ones. Regroup 18 ones into 8 ones and 1 10. Multiply the tens by 6 and add the regrouped 10.
9 times by 6. 54. So what do we write in this column? 4 plus 1 equals 5. And we carry over, or we regroup, the 5.
Tens. 9 tens times 6 equals 54 tens. 54 tens plus 1 10 equals 55 tens. Regroup 55 tens into 5 tens and 5 hundreds.
Next one, 6 times 5, or 5 times 6. 30. And what do we have to do with the 5, guys? So what do we write in here? 5. And then 30 in the next column. So you will see the answer.
Multiply the hundreds by 6 and add the regrouped hundreds. 5 hundreds times 6 equals 30 hundreds. 30 hundreds plus 5 hundreds equals 35 hundreds. Regroup 35 hundreds into 3 thousands and 5 hundreds.
So what's our answer? 6 times 593 is 3,558. You see, that's how we do multiplication with regrouping.
593 times 6 equals 3,558.
Any questions, guys? No. Okay, now then we'll move on to look at our PowerPoint presentation. Multiplication. Multiplication of a one-digit number by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, one digit by 2 digits. So what's our problem? 3 times 10 equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. 4 times 70. Because 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 equals, well remembered guys, when we are multiplying a number by 10, 20, 30, or 90, multiply the number by 1 or 2 or 9. Then add a 0 at the end of the product. Okay, 3 times 10, 5 times 10, 2 times 3. Excellent. So now, 26 times 6 equals
156.
excellent. This time we have to do with regrouping. 6 times 6.
6 times 6 equals 36.
Excellent. So what do? We write the 6 in the ones column. But what do we do with the 30? We regroup and carry over to the tens column. So next we multiply the tens. 6 times 2. Or 2 times 6. 12. So now we have 2 plus the 3 we carried over. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And with the 1 we carried over, 156. So you can see 26 times 6 equals 156. Any questions, guys? Okay, well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video about multiplication with regrouping and how to do it, okay? And next we have to do our stretching sequence. So let's all stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by walking on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Turn left again. Turn left again. And turn left. Hello. Walking on the spot. Stop. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Hello. And now we'll jog on the spot. Stop. Jog again. Stop. Jog on the spot. And now quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And what we're going to do now is we're going to practice some multiplication with regrouping problems. So first of all, I would like a volunteer. Who would like to come and help me? Net, come and help teacher. Okay, you can stand here. What color would you like to do your problem with? Blue, red, or black? Blue. Okay, so first of all, I must write the problem. "45 times 3. So what's our problem, guys? 45 times 3. So Ned, what do you need to write? 45. And then our times sign by 3 equals. So what's our first thing we need to do? Step 1, 3 times 5. 15. So what do we write in the ones column? 5. And we need to use regrouping. So 15 is right, but we write the 5 in the ones column, and then we carry over the 1 into the tens column. This is called regrouping. So 1. Next, what do we need to do? 3 times 4 equals 12. So what do we write here? 13, 3, because 2 plus 1 equals 3, 13, and then 1. So what's our answer? 3 times 45 equals 5. Ned, can you say? 3 times 45 equals 135. Excellent. High five and a round of applause for Ned. Okay, so this is multiplication using regrouping. Okay, so let's do one more. I need one more volunteer. Sam, come and join me. Okay, what color would you like? Black. Okay, so you can stand this side. What shall be our problem? What's our 2-digit number? What shall we write? Sorry? Times 4 equals, so how can we work out this one? 99 times 4. Okay, so 9 times by 4.
32.
Think again. 9, 18, 27, 36. So 36, what do we write in the ones column? 6. What do we carry over? 3. We regroup the 3 into the tens column. So now, 4 times 9. 36, so 6 plus 3 equals 9. Excellent. You can see how we've worked out the multiplication problem using regrouping. When we have too much in one column, more than 10, we have to regroup it into the next column. So, down, 99 times 4 equals 396. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for down. A round of applause for everybody. Well done. Welcome back to class. So now it's time for our worksheet activity. So for this activity, teachers, you will need to have one worksheet for every student in your class. And as you can see, our students will need to work through the various multiplication problems and have their answers in the spaces at the bottom. And what must you use today, guys? Regrouping, okay? For these problems, you will need to use regrouping. But what's the first thing we must do?
Write your name on top.
Excellent. Give our students around 15 minutes for this activity because it involves regrouping and there are 6 different problems. So, Nadia, for you.
Thank you, teacher.
Sam, you're welcome. Ned,
teacher.
Parel, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. So write your name on top, guys, and then work your way through the problems. Teachers, just monitor your class. Any problems your students have, you can help them. Maybe by doing board examples too. So let's see, what's our first question? 34 times 9. 34 times by 9. Okay, what's the first thing we need to do? 9 times 4. Any ideas?
6.
9 times 4.
30.
36. So what do we do?
3 on the top.
What do we write in the ones? 6. And what do we regroup with?
3 on the top.
3. 9 times 3.
27.
27. 7 plus 3.
306.
Excellent. You see, that's how we do our multiplication problems with regrouping. Excellent, Pakboom. So 6 times 2, 2, carry over the 1. 6 times 7,
42.
42, with the 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and the 4. Excellent, Pakboom, well done. Okay. So let's see, which one are we doing, guys? Let's have a look at this one then. So 2 times 6?
12.
12, so we have the 2 and regroup the 1. Yes? 2 times 3?
6.
Plus 1.
7.
So 2 times 36?
72.
72, excellent. 72, not 200. 7 times 7?
14.
7 times 7, not 7 plus. Don't forget, multiply. 7 times 7. Multiplication, not addition, okay? Be careful, guys, we're multiplying, we're not adding. True, there you do. How about this one? 6 times 6?
6 times 6.
What do you think? Seven times 7.
Equal 49.
Excellent. So we write 9, carry the 4. 7 times 5.
Equal 35.
5. 5 plus 4, 9.
30.
Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to look at the various multiplication problems and work them out using regrouping. Our students here did a very good job, so well done, guys, well worked out. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. We hope you've had fun, found it interesting, and also learned something too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you soon.